Okay, Junior, I'm gonna be going to the mall to do some last minute Christmas shopping. Do you and the others want to come with me? Not really. I think we already have our gifts set up under the tree. Alright then, I hope you guys come up with something to do for the day. Well, I hope so as well. Anyways, I am off. Good day. Well, looks like Bowser has headed off to the mall. Well, what should we do now since Dad is out? I honestly have no idea. Do you have any sort of ideas of something we could do, Junior? I kind of wish I do, but however, I unfortunately don't have any ideas. Well, I do have one idea of all of us making something, like doing some bacon, specifically with this. I think I can see where you're going with this, Larry. And I believe I know who or which type of people we should make these for. As a way to impress them? I was just about to say that. Well, we might as well get started since we don't want to waste any time. Now, how are we going to do well with this baking these Christmas cookies fin? Maybe each of us will do a simple, different fin. That way things can go smoothly without this kitchen being messed up. At least we don't have to add any pressure to this. Exactly. Well, we better as well get to it, so that way we won't have to waste any more time, just like Snoopy said. Thank goodness. I was assuming it was going to take forever or all day for them to be ready. Well, let's be grateful that we don't have to wait any longer now. Looks like they turned out pretty well in my book. I think you might be right. If that's the case, I'll leave these right here and wait for those knives to come around. So, when are they coming in? Maybe at any minute by now. Hopefully.
Hey there, Junior. What brings you and the others in the kitchen for?
It's, well, to hard to say. It's pretty obvious. You guys might want to look down at the table.
Wait, are those Christmas cookies that are for us?
It definitely is. It was kind of our idea to get out of our boredness today while Bowser was out. Oh, and by the way, where are your other friends?
You mean Unikitty, Puppycorn, and Lil Petey? They are currently taking a nap at this time.
But if you want, we can take these cookies to the living room and share them with those three if that is okay.
I think that'll be good, at least for the better.
Thank you for. We totally appreciate your incredible baking skills. We sure hope those three like your cookies.
So, what should we do now? How about we go hiking up a nearby mountain? Yes, indeed. We could possibly have a mountain of a time.
Guys, is it me? Or does something fresh is feeling through the air as of this time?
Sniff, sniff. You might be right, Lil Petey. It feels like something that smells super tasty.
Yep, it definitely is. But my question is, what is causing this fresh smell? It has to be from some particular place.
And as a matter of fact, we have found your answer to your question, Puppycorn.
Just now, Bowser Jr. and his buddies have baked these special Christmas cookies for us. It is likely a way to show us off their baking skills.
They did what? Wow. That was so nice of them to do such a wonderful thing.
And since you guys are now wide awake, let's all dig into these fantastic cookies.
Whoa, these cookies are actually really good.
They sure are. Guess those four really put a lot of effort into baking these. Which they really did, 'cause these cookies are indeed jawsome.
You know, you guys, maybe we can bake something for those four as way to thank them.
And I just know the perfect treat we can bake. How about we can bake 4 cupcakes with their names written on them?
That actually sounds like a great idea, Lil Petey. That way, Junior and his buddies can feel very special during the holidays.
So let's waste any more time. Let's get baking.